Here I'm standing in the Staden Wildflower Nature Reserve 5 days after a massive wildfire has come through. This is June 2017. You can see all the Proteaceae stalks, the remaining skeletons, and the cones that have all released their seeds. And you can see the landscape looks pretty denuded. But what we see on the floor, if you have a look, are these red patches. If we come and have a closer look up at these patches, these are Proteaceae seeds. This is what those cones are protecting. So when the fire goes through, the cones are closed. They protect the seeds, and after the fire's gone through, these seeds are released and they are blown through this landscape. You just see how easily they're dispersed just by a little bit of air movement, and they move around. And one sees that they collect in these little hollows all around. See these little hollows? And so a whole clump of seeds will collect together. Now if the seeds are collecting there, then it shows the lighter ash is also collecting there. All of this is nutrient-rich ash. You can see on the top here, it's mostly soil with some ash in it. But right, these are creating little hollows of very fine ash, which are nutrient rich. And the bigger the hollow, the more seeds that will collect in it. So here is quite a steep hollow, and you can see all these seeds that have collected in it. And as well, if we dig down, all the ash, much finer material, full of nutrients in comparison to on the sides, which are still quite sandy. So here we've got a number of different species. I'm not sure which ones they are, but you can see from the different sizes. There it is, blowing away. You can see from the different sizes of seeds, we've got a small seed. Oh, very light. We've got some small seeds and some big seeds. You can see how they float away on the ground. So this is what the Proteaceae life history strategy is all about. Is they burn so that they can release their seeds into this competition-free environment where they will then compete as seedlings, and establish and compete as seedlings.